What you're doing?
Are you recording and you want me to be serious?
Yeah.
We are building a third system to mount the lowered Volvo rack because it drives like garbage, essentially. The overarching reason we're doing what we're doing is because I make poor decisions.
Does anybody have dislocatable fingers?
Just the one thumb, actually.
You can go through there, but I don't know that.
I have delicate girl hands.
You heard it first, ladies and gentlemen. Delicate girl hands.
And one dislocatable thumb.
And he's single.
We wonder why.
I also have a dislocatable toe, as it turns out.
We'll put. How's that working?
Oh, it's working all right. Don't laugh at me. I'm crying.
So, what are you guys doing?
I think Marshall's upstairs trying to unhook the steering sector so I can.
He's just leaning on the car.
Very, very dark. I'm trying to remember what size bolt that is.
I'm guessing it's 10mm because it's a Volvo.
Well, it's the biggest 10mm I've ever
This is a good looking setup right here. I like this. I'll keep jacking with this. I'll figure out how to do it before he even gets out of there. Oh, I've lost the bolt.
You can't just guess it's 10mm because this might shock you. Not all the parts are factory Volvo. Actually,
Here, hold on before we do anything. I'm about to get this
the
deal.
wheel has turned.
It's a car and park.
What?
It's a car and park.
Yes.
That's what's really important since we're all laying under it.
Well, Marshall's not. Marshall doesn't work on his own cars.
Alrighty there. Hey, who is that calling me?
I'm back in Galveston.
Yeah, just let it ring. Probably want to sell me some beachfront property or something today. And I don't really have time to move. Busy working on this here Volvo.
Hey, we're about 20 minutes.
Don't forget to talk.
Marshall, don't micromanage my project.
I'm not micromanaging your project.
See,
I'm macromanaging my project.
Because I can't get this in this hole.
Get a phone.
Now who's calling me?
Can you go from?
Ow!
What?
You pulled down on the car and my finger was in there.
Can you go from the?
This one's from Missouri.
Let me have it. Okay.
Do you want me to do that?
You're going to have to come through this hole right here,
Yes.
which isn't very big.
Yes.
You're going to have to put this on the end of that.
Yes.
Then you're going to have to put this on the end, but that'll go through the end over here.
I'm gonna need to be in your spot.
Well, here, you can have my dang spot.
Okay.
And I'll climb out and wipe some of the pig off my hands. Ow!
It's not pig, it's Volvo. What? I pulled down on the car again, but your hands were nowhere near it.
You know what? Ran my head into your 3-foot long power steering line.
How did that hurt?
He's delicate flower.
What are we trying to do?
Put the nut.
Those two fingers will not work.
What was he talking about right through there? Oh, it's like a. You throw a goat in there. That's super easy. I don't know what he was struggling with.
He has man hands.
True that.
There we go. And then, did he take the nut with him?
The nut's laying under the car. I'll take this one there. In an orange shirt. Oh my gosh. Glad to see you crack yourself up. Somebody's gotta laugh at my jokes.
Yep.
Yeah, they do.
They might. What's that?
That's a hammer. Or is it a pillow?
Both.
It also keeps your hair out of the grease on the floor.
Exactly.
Rare footage. Marshall working on his own car.
It's real funny, considering you guys might do a lot of work, but when it comes right down to it, and someone has to be dexterous, I'm the one that gets the call.
Just because you got monkey hands.
What you doing, Marshall?
Oh, you know.
Look at him putting her together.
I don't know that putting her together is the right word for it.
There's a hammer on the ground.
Yeah, I know. I was using it as a pillow. But they don't line
Is
up.
that lined up?
No.
You
That's
gotta
why
raise the back of the rack.
I need to raise the back of the rack up.
OMG.
Okay, let's not say that anymore.
So close. There, I can see the head. There it is.
It's coming!
It's a girl.
Push!
Did you not have washers for those bolts?
Yes. Didn't put it
You
on
don't
there.
need one on the front.
I
As
don't need one on the front, Austin.
long as you got a lock washer on the back.
Why are you making me question myself?
Well, I figure you're gonna unbolt it anyways. And
No,
take it
heck
back.
no. We're putting it up there and calling it good.
You're gonna have to weld those on.
Yeah, you can
otherwise-
weld that one. I don't know about this one.
I mean, if we're gonna weld it, I probably should have cleaned some of the gunk off.
That's not really required.
Ask Austin.
You can just see the bottom of my car.
You found out you can weld through half-inch gunk. It just takes longer.
It pops a lot. We're up to.
Man, we've got enough dang washers here. I don't know.
Yeah, they're all hardened too.
I don't understand.
They're the wrong color to be hardened.
Well, they're metric hardened.
No, because they're still brass looking.
No,
No,
they're not.
they're metric hardened. Metric
You
doesn't
should
do
take all these
grade
back
8.
and get your $46 worth
It's
of
not
them.
$46. I paid like $12 for everything in that bag. The little stuff is cheap. The
And that's
big,
a very small bag.
That is a very small bag.
these bolts. Yeah, you guys ever shopped at a jewelry store? Okay. I'm having an off day.
What do you need, Marshall?
Well, I bought 4 of these.
Well, you can take 2 of them back because I don't think we can get 2 of them in each one of these holes.
He doesn't do a lot of work on his car.
He draws pictures. I was in their house last night and Missy said, "What is this?" I said, "That's Marshall's design."
Yeah.
Give me that bolt, dude. You're killing me over here. Literally
That's
killing me. I don't want that big old washer on that thing.
I was going to put one on the backside with the lock washer.
I feel like.
You're being watched.
You gotta push that rack up. There you go. You're getting closer.
I can never get this bolt to start. I can put it there now. There we go.
Still,
Hammer?
we call him hammer fist.
Did you just hit that with your hand?
I just tapped it though, but it cut it right on the.
Yeah, I know. You breathe. No, the car decompressed. No. No, just a little bit. I'm afraid you're gonna hit. Up more. Ah, go get a bank robber or a floor jack. You're the only one that does know. Awesome, the video photographer. I realized my phone hasn't died yet. We're at 23 minutes. Holy smokes. And there was one before that 2.5 hours ago. Let's start a YouTube channel. Sounds a whole lot like I just found a way to get out of the house anyway. Hey, what? No one helps me on my cars. No one needs film format. Using the tripod. Is that enough? Yeah, that's perfect. Right there. Hit it with the hammer now. 1, 2, 3, go. There it is. Oh, man. We're in. This thing is going to drive like a Corvette. Seriously. Not like a good one. No, like a C4 that's out of the line. I don't know that you'd have to.
And day 3.5, tightening up the bolts.
It's a struggle. I've been working on these 4 tabs all week.
He actually has for at least 4 days.
He's not lying.
No.
And I'm trying to do a motor swap, and he's got the lean-to.
Oh my gosh.
So he can build 4 tabs that all he had to do was drill 2 holes in each of them.
You know, you were more than welcome to go ahead and do it.
Oh,
Is that tight?
well, I'm afraid I'm going to twist them off.
They are grade 8. I don't think you
I
will.
think you'll break the
extension
plastic
first.
ratchet before you break that.
You could do without that extension, probably.
And that takes some of his torque away so he doesn't twist
Keeps
them
me
off.
from twisting the bolts in two.
Increases the risk of him
Sir.
smashing his hand into the floor.
I'm going to punch a Volvo.
You don't punch them all. They're made out of real metal.
Especially this one.
Okay, so if these twist off, now it's y'all's fault.
I'd give you a nickel if you could twist that off.
I will too. I've got spares.
I don't know that I can twist it off, but I bet I could strip it out. Depending on how good your ratchet was.
They are grade 8 hardware.
You could just sit with the impact on that all day and you'd never strip it out.
Tighten it down and do pull-ups off of it if it were higher off the ground. So now it's going to drive like a Corvette.
Did you ever tighten your top bolts up?
Not completely.
Should probably do that.
Is this anywhere close to straight or anything?
That's not necessarily.
I'm the brains of this here mechanic.
That is a horrifying fiction.
I don't know what happened.
And now we're gonna have him wiggle. See if we got any play down here. We got no play in it. The rack is not moving anyways. I don't think you can tell that by looking at it. We are now taking a test drive to see if it's fixed.
Still really road crazy.
It is fixed.
It is fixed, says him.
It's fixed. I'm a professional. Feels so much tighter already.
Feels tighter than a tiger's behind. Ooh, chirp second.
Even on it.
How does it feel now that you've driven straight for a quarter of a mile?
Like a dream.
Like a dream, he says. Still feels a little darty.
It's a little towed out. It's a go-to compliment.
You are where there's a corner up there, right?
I see it.
Okay. Whoa, you know, quit doing that.
It's getting worse. I'm not doing it. It's getting worse. I blame the road surface.
This road is pretty rough. Should have marked it and seen if it moved when we got back.
Yeah, someone should have done that. How fast am I going? 40?
I don't know. You're going super fast. Oh, it's pushing both my eyeballs to the same side of my head. Yeah, well, it didn't try to kill us, so that's good.
It has tried to kill us in the past. You gotta probably turn around.
I was gonna do a burnout to turn around.
Oh, that sounds dangerous. So you driving? How did we end up in the ditch? Marshall tried to do a burnout.
It's a turnout.